Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how a hacker can get into your system using Ghost Framework and Ghost Fisher. This is for educational purposes only. So first of all, open any browser and search for Fazal Mohammed ghost.github quote doc. Then click on the first link that appears, and then copy it. After that, we'll download it using the git clone command. Ghost has now been successfully downloaded to our system. Now we'll use the cd ghost command to go inside the directory and complete our installation. Now we'll give Ghost the required permissions using the cmod command. After that, we'll install Ghost on our system using the sudo /install dotch command. Once the installation is complete, we'll need to give Ghost permissions again. Now, to start Ghost, we need to type the /ghost command. Now our Ghost tool has started, and as you can see, it has a lot of options available. First, let's select option 1, and check if any device is connected. As you can see here, no device is currently connected. Now we'll get an Android IP from the Showdown website and perform a practical, for educational purposes only. First, go to the Showdown website and log in. Then, in the search bar, type Android Debug Bridge. You'll get a lot of IP addresses for testing. Just copy them. But keep in mind, some IPs might be inactive, so make sure to check them. First, select option 3 to connect the new device, then paste the copied IP address and press enter. After connecting, you can press 1 to check the device connection status. By entering 20, you can check the battery status. As you can see, the battery is full. Only 1.6% have subscribed. That means 98% still haven't. If you enjoy the content, please hit that subscribe button. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tool or topic I should cover next. Until then, take care and bye-bye.